Hey guys and girls, I just want to go back to our video today and make sure you can see a moment to subtract whole numbers, and we'll go to multiplication. So what we were doing earlier, we were subtracting, and so I'm going to open up our tab and just read to you all the whole number rules for subtracting. So for subtracting whole numbers, you're going to line up the corresponding place values of each number and subtract the digits from right to left. And instead of carrying, we may borrow when necessary. So keep in mind we do need to borrow from time to time. So the example I give you down here is 46,276 minus 18,518. Notice that we have to line up each given place value before we subtract. What's important here is we recognize that we have to borrow. We cannot subtract 8 from 6, so we're going to borrow a digit from the 7. When I borrow from a number, I mark it out and I decrease it by 1. So take 1 away from 7 and I get 6. But now I add the one I borrowed to the 6 over here, making it 16. So now I recognize I can take 8 away from 16 and I get it 8. And then I ask myself, can I take 1 away from 6? The answer to that is yes. So we're going to do that. We're going to find we get 5. Now we go to the next place value, the hundreds. Can I take 5 hundreds away from 2 hundreds? The answer is no, I can't possibly do that. So I'm going to borrow from the 6, make that a 5, and carry that 1 over. So now I have 12 minus 5, which I can do is 7. And now I look in the thousands place. Can I take 8 away from 5? The answer is no, I cannot. So now we've got to borrow again from the 4. We cross that out, make that a 3. That pink's not very bright. And then that 5 becomes 15. Can I take 8 away from 15? The answer is yes. I get 7. And then last in the 10,000s place, can I take 1 away from 3? The answer to that is also yes. 3 minus 1 is 2. So our final answer is 27,758. For the try it problems, I'm going to do the first one with you. I'm going to leave them both up here and ask you to try some. If you can try these, remember, we set up our problem, we line up our place values, make sure you notice that each corresponding digit's lined up. The ones places are lined up, the tens places are lined up, the hundreds places, and the thousand places. And now we can begin to subtract. Can I take 7 away from 8? The answer is yes. I'm going to get 1. Can I take 5 from 9? Yep, we're going to get 4. Can I take 1 away from 3? The answer is yes. We're going to get 2. Can you take 2 away from 4? Yes, we also get 2. So the difference of these is 2,241. Notice there was no borrowing involved. I want everybody to take a moment to try this one by yourself. Keep in mind you're lining up your place values appropriately. I won't put the answer here, but I will put the answer in the notes when I upload them. So hopefully subtracting makes sense. Thank you guys for watching.